Hello and welcome to the XoroERP sales receipt tutorial. We're going to cover how to create a sales receipt in this tutorial. So first things first, let's just go to the search menu and pull up sales receipt. And then you'll see the create page here. So let's select a sales store. So this is the store that is conducting the sale. And let's select a ship store. This is where the items are being shipped from. And now we can enter in a customer. Now there's a few things. You can select the date and ship date, the payment method. We can go ahead and change this to check. And now we can add items. Just click on this button here. And let's go ahead and start adding some items. I can put in a discount. Just click on add. And depending on whether you have the warehousing configuration enabled in your setup, you'll get this window. So if you do, you'll see something like this, where you can select from each warehousing location where you would like to pick your item from. So let's say we wanted 2 of these items, a quantity of 2 of this item, and so suppose we wanted to pick from the first and third location. So I click the first location, put in 1 here, and click the plus sign, and you can see that row got added to the bottom here. And let's say we do the same thing for the third one, and then click enter 1 rather, and click plus and close. And you'll see now in the sales receipt, the item got added in the back with a quantity of 2. So let's go ahead and add a few more items. Oh, I should put that in the item number, not in the description. There we go. And click add. I'm just gonna put in a quantity here. Click plus, and it got added in the back. Let's add one more item. Just a quantity of 1, close, and let's close this. And now you can see the 3 items that have been added to the sales receipt. I can go ahead and make changes to the description, the unit price, the discount, the quantity, and tax. If I right click, you can see a few more options. I can delete the item, I can check its pricing levels, I can check the item details. If I select all items, I can go options. I can do a batch discount, which will add a discount to all selected items. I can remove restrictions for all items if necessary. And once the customer is pulled up, you can click on this pen icon and make changes to the shipping address if necessary. Let's go ahead to the shipping tab. Here you can select the shipping details. There's 3 options for the method: pickup, own truck, and delivery. For this, let's just choose delivery. And for delivery, nothing applies. And let's go to the other tab, which just shows you a few things like customer tax code and sales rep. So I'm going to click save now to save the sales receipt. And there we are.